So good day everyone. I will discuss about scientific notation. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is the way of expressing numbers that are too large or too small to be conveniently written in decimal form. It may be referred to as scientific form or standard index form or standard form in the Yoki. This built-in notation is commonly used by scientists, mathematicians, and engineers in part because it can be simplify certain arithmetic operations. On scientific calculator, it is usually known as Psi display mode. In scientific notation, all numbers are written in a form mx times m times 10 n or m times 10 raised to the power of n, where the exponent n is an integer and the coefficient m is a real number. The integers n is called the order of magnitude and the real number m is called the significant or mantissa. However, the term mantissa because confusion because it is the name of the functional part of a common logarithm. If the significant is negative, then a minus sign precedes this m as in ordinary decimal notation. In normalized notation, the exponent is chosen so that the absolute value modulus of significant m is at least 1 but less than 10. Decimal point is understood to be at the end of a numbers. Move decimal point to right or left to arrange one digit the left of the decimal point. If the exponent is positive, move the decimal to the right. If the exponent is negative, move the decimal point to the left. For each power of 10, you move the decimal point one place. So, scientific notation example. So, in decimal point, scientific notation is 2 times 10 to the power of 0. So, if the decimal is 300, scientific notation is 10 to the power of 2. And 4,321.78 of 768. So in scientific notation is 4.30 4.30 321,768 times 10 to the power of 3. So if the decimal notation is negative 5300, scientific notation is negative 0.5 point negative 5.3 times 10 to the power of 4. So if the decimal notation is 672,000,000, so the scientific notation is 6.72 times 10 to the power of 9. Another example is 0.2. In scientific notation is 2 times 10 negative 1 to the power of negative 1. So if the decimal notation is 987, the scientific notation is 9.87 times 10 to the power of 2. So if the decimal notation is 0.00000000751, so the scientific notation is 7.51 times 10 to the power of 9. So another example, so if the given is 159302562 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So to solve is equals, diba, kuhaon nimo ang 10 to the power of negative 4. So the answer is 15,930.1562. So another example, 3.1 times 10 to the power of 12. So equals 3. Magsugod sa 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So another example, review from so 3.00000, so 3.0 times 10, 6. So where is the decimal point now? Where should I move it to make it the between 1 and 10? How many place did you move the decimal point? So move ka into 6 decimal point. So when starting with scientific notation, the exponent tells you how many times to move the decimal point. So move ka, magsugod ka sa likod sa 3, kadulong sa last nga 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 3 million. So yun lang. That's all. Thank you.